Embry? Is that your hair bow? Yeah, that bow is going to sit on the counter until after your snack. Yeah. Are you eating cheese? Is that cheese? Yeah. Does it taste good? Mmm. It looks like it tastes good. Oh my gosh. That sounds silly. Uh-huh. What do you want to do when you're done with your snack? You want to play in your kitchen a little bit?
Yeah.
Or we could play with your cleaning supplies? Yeah, that's right there. Or we could play with your baby dolls. You want to go play with your baby dolls? You're silly. Or we could dance. Do you want to dance? Oh yeah. You want to dance? We could have a dance party. Oh yeah. Dance party. Okay, can you say bye-bye? Bye.